Hello guys, this is our cough syrup, a purely herbal remedy to get rid from cough, cold and sore throat. This is a basic herbal remedy and pure herbal remedy made from extract of good herbs like tulsi, mulati, kakra singi, kantakari, pipri, kachur, pudina sato, and the base of this cough syrup is honey and sugar. We are manufacturing this cough syrup in 100 ml and 200 ml packings. We are also manufacturing Panch Tulsi Ras, which is not showing in this video, but we are manufacturing Panch Tulsi Ras for cough and sore throat.